4th January 2026. When you look at your finger, you use your eye. But when you close your eye, we not look at the finger, we look at movement. And the same, you put your hand the other side, your eye with me. First, notice, observe and notice first. Observe and notice more and more. You can look at the movement. Okay? Your eye look at master. Your mind look at the movement because you observe hand movement, then it look at the movement of your hand. Okay? And observe more, it got more movement. It got pause. 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 You can notice pause or not? More notice pause, your mind become more consciousness, more wake up. Pause, then you wake up. If you only observe hand movement, you not notice pause, observe more and more, you fall asleep. Okay? So you can notice stop in between movement. Your mind wake up with no thought, emptiness of thought. In the beginning, you observe hand movement. You still got a bit thought. Okay? But when you observe hand movement in between, can you notice stop, 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 stop? Your mind stop thinking completely. Okay? So you must learn and get experience. Learn from your experience. You do this way, you observe, and how your mind calm, but still a bit thought. You do this way, slow motion. Notice how your mind, notice your mind get more synchronous of mind, okay? And no thought at all. Then you just the same, you're breathing. Every body when breathing, it got one stop inside. Okay. Breathing in long. Before breathing out, at the turning point, it got 2 seconds, 3 seconds stop. Can you notice? More notice, your mind become synchronous of mind. Okay? Anyhow, we go step by step for this session because we only have maybe half an hour only. I want you to train your mind to look at your breathing, even your physical eye with me, that I told you, look at finger, you need eye. Look at finger movement, you don't need eye. Now, can you first observe first and notice. Observe and notice, breathe naturally. And then, okay, look at your bodies. Look at this person sitting and breathing. Look at this person, how doing, how feeling. Okay, how doing. Now, can you look at this person swaying? How swaying. You look at from behind. You look at me by eye. Look at this person movement from behind. From behind by notice. Notice body movement. More notice, it become inner eye or the knower. Clear knowing wake up the knower. Or the sage or the clever man wake up. Now look at your right shoulder from the nose, your eye with me. And can you look at how you relax your shoulder? How? Okay. And now can you look at how you're sitting upright or not upright? How? Where you look at your posture, upright or not upright, your shoulder movement, you look at all these things from the nose. So wake up the nose first by look at your breathing horizontally first. Your breathing go like you breathe in essential oil. You know essential oil? Peppermint? Aromatic oil. It become more space. Okay? Now breathing essential oil, when you get fainted, unconscious, then you breathe essential oil, aromatic oil, you got consciousness. Where consciousness? You wake up. Here. So wake up your consciousness mind first. Otherwise, you close your eye and fall asleep. Before you close your eye, you got consciousness mind by breathing long, horizontally, deeply, 1 or 2 times first. To wake up, knowing, follow your breathing in, and not follow your breathing out. Only follow your breathing in to the stop, pause, or there, consciousness wake up. And now, the consciousness might not move. Breathing got moved. Movement in and out, but the consciousness might not move now. Okay, that's good. Okay? Normally you move. When you focus your breathing, your body move. When you focus here, your body very tension. When you focus breathing long, your eye go down, you glance, then your head maybe a bit, or maybe look. You look at your breathing move, your head move this way. You got wrong concentration. We not focus from our head, okay? Your head just relax. And then just notice, are you breathing in or are you breathing out? Notice first. And notice more. Breathing in long, horizontally to the emptiness. We can use the word emptiness of thought or relaxation mind, okay? Now it's more relaxed, more gentle, more clear consciousness here. Then it can look at the way you sit, the way you walk from conscious mind. First, it's not conscious. Then I told you mindfulness, observe and notice, observe and notice. More observe and notice every moment, especially on breathing in long, horizontally, deep and long, horizontally. Then it becomes more conscious. Then when it's more conscious now, it's like consciousness mind. This is monkey mind. Before you focus from monkey mind. Now, just look at bodily movement. We look at movement. We not look at body. If you look at body, you use your physical eye. You look at bodily movement, your eye with me. You look at the way you move. Okay? So you just prepare more or good mindfulness. Just bring your mindfulness and bring consciousness and more being consciousness more and more until consciousness mind can see this person movement, can observe, can notice, can see. Can you observe? Can you notice? Can see and can look. Then it become eye. Okay? Your physical eye with me, but can you look at your shoulder, the right shoulder, your eye with me. Can you look at the left shoulder, your eye with me? Can you look at temperature of the whole body, your eye with me, but look at the temperature from your mind. So this is concentration from mind. Before you do wrong concentration, because you do concentration and your head go down, that means you focus from your thought. Okay? So bring backwards. How to bring backwards? You can bring backward with breathing in long, 2 times, 3 times, and you can bring backward by look up. Your eyeball go up a bit. Then only in the beginning, not the whole period, only in the starting. You understand? Then it flip back. Then your mind go back. Then just when you look up, okay? Then in the beginning, your mind flip back. When your mind stay there, then it's look normally, okay? Just flip back your mind. This technique. Another technique is Tibetan technique. Tibetan technique is when your mind a lot of thought, you keep your mouth tucked in. Then it go back. Okay? Your mouth tucked in. And tongue touch the palate. Okay? Your mouth tucked in. And tongue touch the palate. And the other technique, just keep your mouth smile, not drop. If drop, you for accident. If level and up, it's very good. Now can you keep your mouth level? It come back. Your mind wake up. Your mouth tuck in, corner of mouth go up. Okay? It wake up. And now look at how you're breathing. Look at how you're breathing. You can look at how gentle breathing, subtle breathing. Now you can look at how breathing. That means you look at from your knower, from conscious mind. And now look at how breathing, notice together. Notice it make it clear. Look at how breathing in now. Look at how breathing in naturally. Only in the starting, open eye and breathing in long to your thought, to clear your thought, gone away. Only 1 or 2 minutes, okay? After that, no thought or calm, then breathe naturally, horizontally or vertically, or only into your nostril. Whatever you can do, just look, just breathe naturally, whatever you can do it, okay? But the point is just notice, look and notice. Notice the quality of breathing. Then you can notice gentle breathing. Look at breathing in and notice what you notice. You notice gentle, soft, subtle. Then you got contemplation. Contemplation, see what different. Sometimes soft, sometimes subtle. Then even soft, can you more mindfulness, notice until even soft is very clear. Until it clear, and how to look at your breathing, gentle or soft, with attention, with joy in the practice. With joy and attention in the practice. You can look at soft, gentle breathing for half an hour, 1 hour, no pain. Okay? People got pain because no joy in the practice. Somebody come here because your friend asked you, come with me. You not come by yourself. Then You not come by yourself because you come with your friend, accompany your friend, okay, to be a good, to be friend, then you practice, then it not intention, not attention. But somebody come because want to learn, okay, then they got more attention. Now, make sure your eye with me, you can look at how breathing, gently. Look at how breathing is not from eye, it's from your mind. Look at how breathing and notice what you notice. Sensation of breathing, soft, gentle. When you can notice sensation of breathing, you can notice sensation of the whole body together. And when you notice more sensation of breathing, the whole body, you can notice sensation of your sense, your pressure from your mind. Now it become more vipassana. Okay? First, we develop samatha, meditation. Notice only one object, look at one object. But before, you only focus. But today you have look and notice. Yesterday I let you practice notice first. But today, look and notice. Yesterday not look. Yesterday only notice. Okay? Today, I just tell you, if you want to look, not look at the finger, look at the movement. So then you know, look at the movement of your breathing and notice together how you breathing soft, gentle. That is sensation. Okay? Now you got vipassana. Okay? Look and notice. Look at one object, but not the finger, but look at movement of finger. Look at one object, how you breathing. Not focus your breath, but focus how breathing. Okay? This is look. And then you can notice gentle breathing, soft, subtle breathing. That is sensation. When you look at how breathing, see by notice sensation of breathing, then you can see and notice sensation of the whole body and sensation from your heart. Now it takes time. Okay? In the beginning, only look how breathing and how sensation soft, subtle of breathing start from here. Okay? Then it happens by itself. From sensation of breathing, then you can notice more sensation of the whole body arising, disappearing. Sensation of the whole body, it comes from 4 elements, cool and warm, sweat. And then more you can notice sensation of breathing, then you can notice sensation of body, 4 elements, and your mind. We start from notice sensation of breathing together. When you focus your breathing, not focus by your eye, we focus from our mind, focus at the movement. Okay? Now you can or not, if you can look at breathing, notice soft, gentle breathing, and attention please, joy in the practice, then you got attention. And then you can rely with attention, your mind not distracted. No attention, it look like you come here just try, not attention to learn, just try to learn. Okay? Just try, then it's not one point in it, still got distracted. But you come here with attention, want to learn Buddhist meditation, intention, attention. Okay? So keep attention on your breathing and look. Then your mind not distracted. Before you not keep attention, you only just look, then you fall asleep. Okay? Look at your breathing, how you breathing attentively, and close your eye. Attentively and close your eye. And look at how breathing. How breathing in to the pause inside. The pause, it got stop 1 or 2 seconds and breathing out. And then from the pause, it got nova. Look at how breathing out from the nova. More pause, more nova wake up. Look at how breathing. And notice gentle, soft, subtle breathing in and out. Notice together. Notice. Notice attentively. Then you can look how breathing long and deeper with attention. Look at breathing attentively. Then you can look at how breathing in longer and deeper. Now just breathe naturally. Only in the beginning we breathing horizontally to wake up mind from thought. Now you breathe naturally, okay? Doesn't matter horizontally or vertically or even long in your nostril, okay? Doesn't matter now because you got the nova already. When you got the nova, then look at your breathing, know your breathing, know the nova. The nova more clear knowing. Look at your breathing, knowing clearly, soft, subtle, gentle breathing. And what happening to the nova? It got clearly knowing. Knowing clearly knowing. Knowing clearly how you breathing and clear knowing in the nova. Knowing clearly at how breathing and clear knowing in the nova. Okay? We got both sides. Object knowing clearly and subject the nova clear knowing. The purpose is the subject more clear knowing. Okay? Then you need awareness of the quality of knowing together. Okay? Then you need mindfulness. Every moment you got knowing clearly and clear knowing. Okay? If not every moment, just breathing relaxingly, then you got only knowing clearly, you're breathing relaxingly. It's not clear knowing, okay? Because it's got very relaxed, then it fall asleep, okay? Relax and clear knowing, okay? Clear knowing by sit upright, because when you relax, then you fall asleep, your body go down. Sit upright, how to sit upright? Normally you sit upright, you strengthen your muscle, but now you sit upright by just look up. Then your face up, your body go up. You not strengthen any part of body, not force the muscle to look up, to straight up. That's why you control only your eye wake up, then the whole body wake up. That's enough. Okay? Look up, then your body go up, straight up. And then you got consciousness more and more. Look up, your physical eye look up. But notice your breathing. Notice more and more, it becomes the nova. Notice and knowing clearly, see clearly, and the nova can look at how breathing. Then you got look and notice, look and notice. Look at how breathing and notice. Yesterday we practiced only notice. Today you just look at movement or how breathing. Then look and notice. Look at one object, movement or breathing. And notice, start from sensation of breathing. Then it more expanding sensation of the body sitting and breathing. And then it more sensation of your mind quality. Okay? but we keep look at one object breathing. How to focus from the novel, the right concentration. And joy in the practice from your heart, then you got more and more joy, you got more attention. And develop right determination. Sitting, beginning from 10-15 minutes. From today, sitting half an hour. Now sitting in silence by yourself. You know already, I give you guidance already. Half an hour. With joy. And your mind not distracted. Then you might look and notice. Look at how breathing mindfully. Mindfully, you can see your mind together. You can see clear knowing become more and more in your mind. Look at how breathing mindfully. Mindfully in your mind, you got clear knowing more and more. More you got, look at how breathing mindfully, then you get more consciously in your mind with wisdom, with clear knowing, how breathing, how feeling, how the quality of knowing. First you know only the quality of breathing, now you know the quality of knowing, okay? Calm, and quiet, in seclusion and clearness. You got more clearness, the quality of the knowing. Clearness, clear knowing. That's why the Buddha used the word. Breathing in, knowing clearly. You got knowing clearly, you got clear knowing. People only just know breathing in, just know breathing out. It's not enough. You must knowing clearly, breathing in long, and where the breathing in long to the end of breathing, where? You knowing clearly or not? And right determination together. Then you got knowing clearly. Joy in the practice together. You got knowing clearly. And right determination, then you got more attention on your breathing. Other voice outside, just let go. Because you got right determination, it becomes knowing clearly and clear knowing. Can you realize clear knowing in your mind? Not disturbed. First you got disturbed, not clear. Now you knowing clearly, attentively with right determination, then it becomes clear knowing. We develop clear knowing by knowing clearly what we are doing, knowing clearly how you walk, how you eat, how you breathing, knowing clearly and clear knowing there. Okay? And now just review your practice. Knowing clearly, you got knowing clearly. If you attention, joy, attention on one object, you're breathing, then you got knowing clearly. If you not have attention enough, no right determination, then your mind go out. Okay? Direct your mind on your breathing only with right determination. Knowing clearly, the outcome is clear knowing. More clear knowing, more you go on the path to enlightenment. Because the enlightened one we call clear knowing and release. Now you got clear knowing but not release because you still got attachment. More you got clear knowing and release, you become the enlightened one. Release all desire and attachment. Now we just develop clear knowing first, okay? Clear knowing and see all desire, sensation, sensual pleasure. Now we develop clear knowing to see we got a lot of kilesa, a lot of sensual pleasure and desire first, okay? Clear knowing, see what's wrong with you first. After that, clear knowing, seeing, all release, more release, and release all and gone away, and you got freedom of mind. And now just review your practice, how calmness, how mindfulness. Review your mind, how knowing clearly together. Everything comes to your knowing mind. When you come to your knowing mind, your sitting become upright. Okay? Because your knowing mind, it backwards. Okay? When it go back, then you need to sit upright. Okay? Sit upright, then your mind flip back. Okay? Review how knowing clearly knowing clear mind, clear knowing mind. It got brightness, and more you practice, it become halo come up. Before you got dark. When you sit, you got dark. Today you feel relaxed, and then you got bright. Okay, bright in your knowing. Okay, it's not the light, the white light in front of your eye. No, it's brightness inside, not brightness in front. Okay. More brightness inside, then you sing the path. Okay, sing the path to enlighten. And now, when you review your practice, just share merit from the brightness of mind with loving kindness. Share to everybody here and at home and at your office, and share merit to your dad, your mom, your son, your daughter, your relative, your friends, and even your enemy. Loving kindness. Share merit to everybody in Australia, in the world, and all sentient beings. Okay? With loving kindness, then it become more brightness wake up, more halo wake up. Okay? More wisdom wake up. Every time share merit, then it more consciousness, higher consciousness, higher consciousness, higher consciousness. Okay? And now just slowly opening eye. You still got your mind clear knowing, see this person sitting, walking, eating, seeing from clear mind. Okay? It's only feeling. Okay? It's only feeling. You feeling like your mind see yourself. Okay? It's seeing from awareness, mindfulness. And now we finish this session. Sadhu.